Right, kita main beten lagi guys. Plumber trouble nih guys, dapet. Let's go. Oh udah, gue diem aja, penyebat ya.
Still hanging out with the bats downstairs, I guess.
Yeah, and it's a good thing. I haven't gotten anywhere with this computer. Everything's locked out. I did find a file cross-linked to Gorvin's record that looks like it was recorded by Grandpa Max, but even that's password protected.
What's the date on the file?
Just over 5 years ago. Why?
Let me give a try. Oke, let's go.
I've been at this
Berarti
for
pas kecil ya?
hours. What did you type?
Waterworms. Yeah, Grandpa Max considered them a delicacy.
Especially live. I totally forgot about those things.
He never made you try them. Ah.
Log file continued.
Oh, ini kakeknya nih.
Investigation of plumber Magister Gorvin.
Grandpa Max!
Our ongoing investigation is track the missing alien tech
Bapak,
to Gorvin.
kakek kemana ya?
But he apparently
Meninggal, udah meninggal ya?
disposed of or sold the items before we could recover them. Gorvin has also disappeared. At this point, we have no way to know why the tech was stolen or who might have it now. We have issued a galactic rim-wide alert for Gorvin. He is considered to be extremely dangerous and possibly armed with weapons, that is. If encountered,
Ngeri amat,
he is to
bos.
be placed into custody immediately. End log.
Gorvin is a fugitive. Earth is the perfect place to hide since there aren't any full-time plumbers stationed here anymore. And if he's still in the business of stealing alien tech,
Then we've been doing his dirty work for him. We've got to stop him and find out what he's doing with all this tech. Kevin, why don't you... Where'd he go?
Kevin
Man,
kemana
look.
anjir?
He must have used his plumber's badge to open the door. I bet he went to find Gorvin.
I better go after him. There's no telling how dangerous Gorvin will be when he finds out we know his secret.
Wah, Kevin lagi nih, gue curiga lagi.
Kevin? Kevin, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh,
You're not
enggak,
gonna
guys.
believe what I found. Gorvin has been hiding tons of alien tech, and it looks like most of it is hybrid stuff.
But you haven't found Gorvin?
Nah, not yet.
Yeah.
But oh man, there are a ton of xenocyte eggs down here.
Oh, dia mengembang bianget kah?
Eggs. Kevin, just stay put and don't touch anything. Ben is a...
What? Hello? Whatever. That four-armed phony is probably bugged out. Not that I couldn't take him myself anyway.
You think so? Well, my young meddling friend.
Oh, dia tahu guys. Si Kevin masuk ke ruangannya.
I usually let my little friends handle the light work.
Aduh, ribet banget dipakai
What friends?
Kevin.
Oh, those friends.
Ah, jadi ribet banget sumpah
Well,
guys.
you guys must have loads to talk about, so I'll just take off now.
Jadi metal dong. Ya. Ini kalau di film Alien jadi inang aja. Oh, jangan-jangan nih yang jadi manusia, yang jadi alien ini begitu ya? Iya gak sih? Wah, nge-lag gila. Diam lu. Aduh, ini apa lagi nih guys? Aduh, ada sesuatu tuh guys. Gue jadi ingat beta yang Protector of Earth guys.
Touch me if...
Aduh, kok nggak kepencet guys? Sumpah, tadi gue udah pencet X. Ini ada hidden stage ya? Nah terus?
DNA alien commanders...
Mana?
Weapons...
Wih anjir, gokil guys. Bisa nembak. Mana lagi anjir? Emang ada lagi guys? Ah, apaan sih?
Let's get this show off the road.
Bisa dong, gila. Ada dia, gak kelihatan.
Sorry to cause such a...
Ada apa tuh di bawah guys? Aduh, nggak bisa ke situ lagi.
You're in a tough situation. Maybe you should just...
Aduh, itu ada. Skip lagi. Ntar deh, gue balik lagi. Gila, di sini banyak batu ini ada.
We're in a hurry, so usually I'd say don't monkey around. But in this case...
Aduh, gak enak banget pakai ini, sumpah. Ya ampun. Masih ada lagi. Aduh, gak kena, cok. Aduh, kok gak kena.
Boy, bet it would take something huge to deal with this situation.
Ini apa, guys? Oh, spider monkey ya? Apa salah gue, guys? Salah, BG. Terus ke atas terus kan? Oh, lewat situ harusnya. Aduh.
Getting
Guys, gue mau jadi spider monkey dulu.
where
Gak
my
bisa lagi anjir. Diam, bisa diam nggak? Nyantai dulu nggak sih? Alhamdulillah. Ini apaan ya guys? Tempat rahasia kayak. Lah,
Kevin, where are you?
kok gak ke sono ya?
Behind you, Tennessee.
Wah,
Oh no. Hey, Kevin, don't worry, I can help you.
wah anjir, gua jadi jahat ya.
I don't need your help. I've never felt better in my life.
Kok jadi jahat
You
guys?
know, I forgot how much fun it is to be the bad guy.
Lah,
Kevin Levin plus D and Alien equals unstoppable. I'm gonna wipe the floor with
kok nggak hancur ya guys?
Maybe you should start working out. That was pretty neat.
Oh ini harus dihancurin gak sih guys? Weh gila. Lah kok dividit aja sakit banget cok.
Everybody should get de-alienized. It's awesome. Great. Now
Oh.
I can absorb wood. That was the last one of those. Now I can't absorb metal.
Aduh, gak bisa guys.
You were no match for me before.
Wah,
Much
gila
less
ya.
now.
Waduh sakit banget guys.
That all you got?
Oh masih ada guys. Weh,
Your history.
Come into my party.
Fine. I don't need to absorb anything to take you out. I can beat you with one claw tied behind my back.
aduh gak bisa lagi. Wah anjir sakit banget. Wah sakit banget guys.
Quit fighting back. You're making me mad.
Wah sakit banget. Syukur lu. Tidak. Haha, you're gonna die.
That was pretty weak.
Aji sakit banget, Cok. Weh. Weh gila. Wah gila gua gak bisa gerak, Cok. Haha, you're gonna die. You're gonna die, bro.
Hey, Kevin, let's try this again.
Ih, diapain tuh?
It is so not fun.
Oh,
Oh, dilepasin dia nanya.
what happened?
I found you in here. You were antisocial, angry, and had a xenocyte stuck to you.
Now I'm back to normal.
Yep, no more xenocyte. Now you're just antisocial and angry.
Antisosial
Nice.
gitu.
Well, while you've been messing around in here, Gorvin's getting away.
You're welcome.
Whoa.
You're in no shape to fight. Get back up to the control room when you can and stay with Gwen. I'll track down Gorvin and take care of him myself.
Nah gitu, kita lagi deh.
Nobody makes a monkey out of me.
Ini songong nih. Wow. Ada sesuatu tuh guys.
Monkey business.
Jatuh anjing. Pakai apa ya? Kalau merah tuh apa ya? Apa sih guys? Lewatin aja lah ya kalau nggak bisa ya.
Time for a little monkey business.
Aduh. Ah udahlah, skipin aja lah ya guys. Susah.
Monkey see, monkey punch.
Aduh, males banget dah gua.
When they're green or yellow, they're safe. But make sure you're not standing on one when it turns red.
Aduh, goblok dah gua, sumpah dah guys.
Those crystals are part of the base's power grid. When they're green or yellow, they're safe. But make sure you're not standing on one when it turns red.
Gak kelihatan masalahnya di kameranya ngalangin anjir.
Those crystals are part of the base's power grid. When they're green or yellow, they're safe. But make sure you're not standing on one when it turns red.
Gak usah. Aduh. Jatuh guys. Aduh, ini kamera nggak bisa kelihatan sih anjing.
I'm the best flying red alien.
Wes, I'm the best that ever was, you know.
Okay, Gorvin. I know you're here. It's time you
Gorvin,
told us why you
lawan
lied
Gorvin
to
kah?
us and what you're doing with that alien tech you tricked us into stealing.
I'm through talking to you. You and your friends have served your purpose. I have
Let's
what
go,
I
Ben.
need.
Kita bantai dia, Ben.
Soon it will be in the hands of my
Let's go, Ben.
associates.
The hybrid? I thought you were smarter than that. As soon as they get what they want, they'll eliminate you along with everyone else. They think we're all inferior beings.
That's none of your concern. I'll worry about them. You need to worry about
Coba kita
yourself.
bisa berubah jadi ini
I'll
lagi ya.
give you one chance.
Si
Leave
forearm
this
lagi, tapi yang
place
versi
and mind
rotot
your
ya.
own business. Otherwise, you'll end up like your unpleasant friend Kevin.
Sorry, no deal. I'll just have to take my chances. Besides, you gotta know by now that I've got a few tricks up my sleeve.
Indeed you do.
Jadi gede.
But I know all about your tricks. Your grandfather was no match for me. And neither, I suspect, are you. Ain't technology grand?
Terus diapain gua guys?
Always swap fire.
Apparently, I underestimated you.
Suruh masuk ini.
I'm a double threat bad guy. No! A rejuvenator! You'll pay for that, Ben Tennyson. Must cut back.
Aduh.
Not as Stop moving so much.
Okay.
More exercise. Swing for the fences.
Aduh, kena lagi.
Grand slam.
You're gonna die, bro.
So you get anything out of the four-armed felon?
No, but he's out of commission. I found some holding cells below.
Guys, I've scanned the whole base. There's no sign of any of the tech that Gorvin tricked us into stealing.
At least Gorvin didn't have a chance to give that to the hybrid.
Yeah, it's a good thing too.
Gak ada
No telling what somebody could do with
baik
that if they
si
were
ini
good.
Ogren.
You guys mind telling me what exactly that is?
It's called the sub-energy. It's a subatomic energy source. One of the most powerful in the galaxy.
Terus mau diapain?
Alien race gave one to the plumbers years ago. It was stolen by an ex-plumber named Driscoll.
Sounds like the plumber should have a better employee screening process.
We thought that was the only sub-energy on Earth, but this can't be the same one. Ben destroyed that one.
Well, wherever it came from, we need to make sure it doesn't get into the bad guy's hands. If you destroyed the last one, you can take care of this one, right?
Oh, man. I was just starting to be able to eat spicy foods again.
Siapa nih yang meledak? Anjay, ini berubah lagi, guys.
Interference has forced me to deal with you vermin directly and obtain this energy source myself. No matter. When we have completed our objective, you and your entire genetically inferior race will no longer be in any position to meddle in the affairs of the hybrid.
Hah?
What did he mean by that?
We better find out. Gwen, can you track him?
Normally there'd be no way to do it, but the sub-energy is so powerful, I should be able to find it if it's anywhere within 1,000
Iya, udah
miles.
sejam tahu, Bu. Terima kasih ya sudah diingatkan.
Got it.
Gue udah record 2 video soalnya.
Look at
Jadi
this.
sejaman kali.
This is a satellite view not far outside Bellwood.
A hybrid weather tower.
No big deal. You've dealt with those before.
Not one like this.
Okay, that's bad.
If one weather tower can freeze a whole town,
An array like this one could freeze the entire coast. Maybe even half the country.
we're responsible for this. We let Gorvin trick us into getting those components. And now, it's up to us to destroy that weather array.
Humungosaur, let's go.